Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can reset your Logitech tab scheduler. So it's super simple, and let me show you how you're going to do it. From the back you're going to find this small pinhole that you need to have a pin. You need to have a paper clip or like a really small pen that you would just press it for like 5 to 10 seconds, and while you're gonna press it and hold it there, you want to press one time the button next to it. It's a like kind of like reset button. So you're gonna hold it, press and hold it 5 to 10 seconds, and then you're gonna just press the button on the right one time. You're gonna press and release, and then you're gonna release also the pin that you have in that hole. So again, you're gonna put like a paper clip to that hole 5 to 10 seconds. You're gonna hold it there. While doing that, you're gonna press one time on the right side the button, and then you're gonna release it from the hole. Hope you got it, and you can have it from the bag right here on the bottom. So thank you very much and have a great day, and goodbye.